Hey everyone, just a stage monitor buying tip na kung pwede kong i-share sa inyo. Okay. So, pag bibili kayo ng speakers that yung primary intention nyo is for stage monitors, you have to focus on yung application na yon. Tandaan nyo, pag stage monitors, that's relatively near field, mga 6 feet away at the most. Importante sa artist yung vocals niya, yung linaw ng vocals niya. So in cases like those, kailangan nyo talaga ma-assess mabuti yung speakers, because you can't just pick any speaker tapos hindi maganda yung mid reproduction or yung across the range. Merong mga kailangan ayusin, kasi pwede nyo sabihin, hindi, pwede naman ayusin sa equalizer yun. Oo, pero paano kung yung gagawin nyo sa equalizer para pagandahin yung monitor na yon are the same frequencies that will give you problems rin naman later, so during the show, so wala rin, di ba? So better start with a good monitor speaker. Now, how would you, other than price, let's go beyond price muna. Marami naman dyan, kahit mura, uubra, di ba? So, yung priority nyo, how does it sound? Kamusta yung vocal clarity niya? Kasi nga, you could get away with medyo hindi ganun kabigat tumunog or medyo hindi ganun katinis, pero pag yung vocals nyo at yung artist naririnig yung sarili nila, malaking bagay na yun. So what I'd suggest is for you to actually test itong speakers na gusto mo, na interesado ka. If you can, it is encouraged na gamitan mo siya ng sarili mong microphone. Listen to your voice and kamusta niya rin na-reproduce yung boses mo. And then if you have a track, use a vocal centric track para pakinggan nyo lang talaga at high levels lalo. And then if you also have a track that has vocals and a lot of elements around it, pakinggan nyo rin yun. Pakinggan nyo rin yun at high levels. So yun, ina-assess nyo ngayon gaano kalinaw siya with a lot of elements and without. Kamusta siya? Because that's gonna be the range of the use ng monitor mo. So let's go beyond the price first, or the watts. Importante, yung pinaka objective natin is something that can reproduce vocals clearly, with body, and with the dynamics. And kaya yung dynamics ng boses. Okay, I hope that helps. See you in the next.